is a mess, and we're just going to start this process of what I do with my hair. It's like this, okay? Ready? Just put a little bit of this mimosa hair honey inside of my hair, pretty much on the edges, because I felt like they were the driest. They had like leftover hairspray from me wearing my frontals and all kinds of extra stuff, and then like I just go and run the rest of them on my tips of my hair, and that's pretty much it. With a little bit of my Eco Styling Gel to basically slick my hair up, because I want to do a ballerina bun today. Start swooping my edges how I want them to be today. I usually just use like a comb that has really close together teeth, and then I do this part. So that is that. So I'm just alright, I'm gonna do the rest of the smoothing and slicking with my toothbrush, but I don't know where my toothbrush is right now, so I'm just gonna leave it alone and then just braid the remaining of my hair. You guys know the drill, while it's dry, and see what happens. Try to get it as flat as possible. I'm gonna use a bobby pin to hold it down. I don't feel like getting back up to get a rubber band. Alright, this is the bundle I'm gonna use. I've been using this bundle a lot because it's 28 inches and I love my long, super long ponytails. So that's kind of why it looks crazy, but we're gonna finesse it and make it look cute again today. But I'm honestly not even pressed for it to be super, super straight, because I'm about to put my hair in a bun, a ballerina bun. But I like their hair. Their hair is really nice. The only thing I wish is their hair was a little bit fuller. But since these are longer lengths, that's why it's not super full. But I have got 26 and 28 inches of their hair. But for the fun part, we're going to use my huge donut. And I'm going to look down and put this on, because that's the easiest way to do this. And then just bring the hair over, and then all you have to do is just like smooth everything down. I like using the soft side of my brush to do this so it won't snug on the bun. So that's how it looks on the inside. That's why I went and bobby pin like the center. Like I said, I just been using this bundle just to do my little, I've been using this bundle to do my little ponytail looks. So I like making sure it's all the way at the bottom. Right? And then doing that. Because if you put it like all the way up here, it like squishes it and it makes it look weird. And then I have to bring the hair up. And I like doing one more like hair tie around here, but I like using a rubber band for this one so the hair tie isn't that bulky. But I don't like really messing with this part of the hair so much. That's why I kind of like try to smooth it and detangle it before I get up here, because it can go real left real quick. And I'm gonna put it as close as I can to where I need it to be, like the base. And then I'm gonna lay this part down and like tuck it in around here. But I like twisting it before I tuck it, because I don't like using too many hair ties, because then that's when my hair feels all tight and weird, and I don't like that. A few more bobby pins just to like flatten this down up here. And then I kind of like adjust it to how I like. And
Often think what I was promises, falling in and out of love. They all said we never last, still we managed to stay together. There's no reason, explanation for it, 'cause whenever there's a problem we always work it out somehow. Work it out somehow. They said it wouldn't last, we had to prove them wrong, 'cause I learned in the past that love will never do without us. Said it wouldn't last, we had to prove them wrong, 'cause I learned in the past that love will never do without you. Other guys have tried before to replace you as my lover. Never did I have a doubt. Boy, it's you I can't do without. I feel better when I'm happy near me, 'cause of all the love around us. Quite the same. Like you do, baby.
And that's pretty much it, guys. So I'm gonna put my shirt that I'm actually wearing on today. I just had too much like craziness going on in my hair that I didn't want to put on my real shirt that I was wearing, because it would have been filled with whatever is in my hair. I need some earrings, but I don't have any ones. Okay, so that is that. I feel like in my hair tutorials, I do not spin around and y'all be so mad at me. Like, you didn't show me the other side, you didn't show me the back. I just be forgetting. I be having places to go in my videos that I just be doing this shit at the last minute. I just don't be doing this for fun, y'all. I really be having places to be. I love you guys, and I will come back and do slow-mos for you guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out Alipearl in the description box below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.